Hey guys, so another non-GTC and not even Triumph video, but unfortunately we have to deal with our daily drivers too sometimes, right? So today I'm gonna attempt to change the lower control arms on the front suspension on my Ford Escape 2008 Limited. It is all-wheel drive and I have a very significant rattle on the right side. And the other day when I was changing my front brake pads, I figured out what the problem was. These are the bushings on the lower control arms. So I'm gonna attempt to change those today. And I wanted to put it in video because I tried to find a decent video in YouTube and I couldn't. So I might do that as well, right? So if anybody has similar issues, can watch my videos and learn from my experience and from my mistakes, I guess, because I've never done that before, and I have an idea pretty much what I have to do, but let's see if I will be able to do it without any troubles, or I'm gonna have to deal with issues. Right, of course we start by lifting the car in the air. And of course, for security, we're going to put it on a jack stand, not on the... Wow! That lifted even the other side. That's fine. It is raining outside, freezing rain, and that's why everything is so wet around. So the issue is over there. Let me zoom you in. That over there is the issue, you see? This needs to be centered between this and this, but it is not, and it's hitting this plate here, or whatever, this bracket, because the bushing is all gone inside. There is another bushing here in the front and the ball joint at the back. That's what's holding the whole thing. Let me see if I can show you. So this is the other bolt that's going through the second bushing there, and the third is here, the ball joint, which we have to remove, and I think I'm going to start with the ball joint. And the thing is, those bushings don't come separately, they come together with the whole A-arm. So I have new A-arms for both sides with the bushings and with the ball joints. So let me see if I can take this out now. This is like 15 mil. I'm surprised. I'm gonna spray a little bit PB Blaster on the boat. This is what I like about the daily drivers, that I don't really need to care about where I spray PB Blasters, where I have grease and stuff, because look at it, it's all dirty anyways. Wow, that went well. I recently changed the tie rod ends, because I thought the rattling was coming from there, but unfortunately it wasn't that. Here we will need the splitter. I have a ball joint splitter. Okay, this is out, but it looks like I have to undo the rear end as well. Okay.
this one is out too, and now only one is left. All right, let's see. Is this 15 too? Yeah. This is gonna be tricky now. It looks like I can put my gun there. Alright, the last bolt is out, but let's see how we're gonna take the whole arm out now. Can we do that? Okay, and the ball joint is still holding. Okay, it's out. And to be honest, I don't see anything wrong with that, but it looks like it is not good. Let's compare them. Yeah, they look the same. Let's put the new one and we will see. There was a new bolt in the bag. Okay. Okay, this one is going, this one is in, so the only one is the one at the back, and this one is sitting on an angle, so I'll have to lift the wheel up. It'll come out. So I'm going to put this jack here to push the bolt up while I'm hammering it in the right direction, because I need two people here, but one person can be replaced by a jack. Alright, let's see if this is going to do anything. Watch your face. Oh, I think it went in, huh? Or it didn't. No, it's coming out. I think now it went in. Yeah. So we tricked it. Alright, so now we can go with the impact gun. Alright, and let's lower it now to see what it is gonna look like. Whoops, it's close, but that's, keep in mind that now the whole suspension is hanging. When the tire is on, it's gonna be hanging on the tire, so that's good. That's it. Now I can put the tire back on and jump on the other side. To be honest, I was expecting a lot more troubles. It wasn't easy, can't say it was easy, but I was expecting a lot more troubles. And to be honest, I was putting it back for months. I have this problem from the summer, maybe sometime at August I first heard the rattling, but at that time I was still driving my Spitfire, so I was like, who's gonna worry about that right now? Then it became cold, I started driving this, and then I was like, why didn't I do it in the summer? And I was expecting a lot of troubles here, but actually it was pretty easy. Alright guys, so that's it. I'm not gonna bother you with the other side. If there's anything interesting, I might turn you on again and show you, but if it's like this side, that's it. So once you see one side, the other side is the same. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for commenting. If you haven't watched my other videos about the classic cars, the Triumphs especially, you can come and watch those because these are more interesting. This is just my daily driver, and just occasionally I have to work on that too. So thanks for watching guys, bye.